G'day chemists, welcome to question of the day as we prepare for our IB exams. This is a question from paper 2. That's actually 2 sections from paper 2 from the previous papers, or model papers actually. And yeah, let's have a look. So our question is, there's 2 of them, they'll be nice and short today. Draw the skeletal structure of ethyl propanoate is our first question, and draw the skeletal structure of 5-chloro-2-methyl-pentan-2-ol. I actually find the second one a lot easier. But, well, I think my students do anyway. So let's have a look at this. First, skeletal structures. Alright, so we know what our structures are. We know which ones we have to draw. And this one's just the straight lines where we ignore the hydrogens altogether. Ester. Okay, so this one here, propanoate. Anoate means it's an ester. Okay. So it has this structure. We have our R2 group with a double bond coming off, double bond oxygen, another oxygen coming off, and then R1 over the side. What does that mean? That means this ethyl group, ethyl, so eth meaning 2 is R1, prop meaning 2 carbons, prop meaning 3 carbons is going to be our R2 group. So it's a nice straightforward draw. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's our probe. Boink, boink. Oxygen. Other oxygen off there. And that's ethyl 1, 2. Nice and simple. That's your mark. Okay. Let's have a look at the other one. So 5-chloro-2-methyl-pentanol. This is a bit more of the standard way to do it. The esters you do a bit differently, whereas the anything that's essentially not an ester, you kind of do this way. First thing we do is we look for our carbon chain. We've got a 5-carbon chain. Everything has to come off that. And we know that because of pentan. If it was pentene, T-E-N-E, or T-E-N, then there'd be a double bond in there. It'd be more to deal with. So pentan, a 5-carbon chain. A saturated 5-carbon chain. Okay, so we draw that. Boop, 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 boop. Nice little skeletal warrior symbol. And that's carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have our hydroxyl group. There's different colors to make it clear. So we have a hydroxyl group, that's this OH. At C2, that's that one there. So we just draw that. Then we go to our methyl side chain at carbon 2. So that's going to be a CH. So we won't draw it like that. We'll just draw it as a straight line. So it's going to look like that. See, it's starting to get a fun shape to it. And now we have our 5-chloro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's a chlorine at C5. And that is a chlorine. So it's drawn like that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that works. Pentan. 2-ol. 1, 2. 2-methyl. 1, 2. Checking our work. And 5-chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So what are our key takeaways with this one? First off, know your correct types of formula. Okay, structural, condensed structural, skeletal. These are our examples, right? Structural, condensed structural, skeletal. Identify each component systematically and put it together. So you'll see when we did this one and this one, we worked out what each of the components were, and then we built it together. Start here with your chain. Then this is your primary. Primary is the wrong word because that means it's the thing, but don't worry about that. This is your key functional group. Then we add these ones on the back systematically. And the more we do it systematically, the more reliable it gets. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Send me an email if you're one of my students. Hit like so it helps more people find it, especially as we get towards the IB exams, which I know a lot of you are starting to stress out about. And yeah, feel free to give us a subscribe so you keep up with it. And otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Bye now.